Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Monday noun. So matter. Matter. The physical things, the universe, and everything around us is made from. The matter. The physical matter that things are made from. The atoms. Yes. The atoms. The atoms are very small pieces of matter. Yes. So, our world is made from different kinds of matter. Yeah. Different kinds of matter. Different chemical bonds, different chemical structure, different atoms, different protons, neutrons, different kind of chemicals, different kind of elements and compounds. Our whole world is made from matter, elements and compounds. Yes, everything. Yes. So, there are new kinds of matter being discovered all the time. So matter, both singular and matter, plural. Different kinds of matter. Matters? Well, I wouldn't say matters. Different kinds of matters. In a way, but not quite, but different kind of matter. It's both like, say, calcium, carbon, different kinds of matter. Yeah. So you could say then, say, oxygen and hydrogen are two kinds of matter. Makes sense. And then we could say calcium is another kind of matter that builds our universe. That builds our universe. Makes sense. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So, we were surprised about the variety of matter, a whole variety, different kinds of matter. On the periodic table, so many different kinds of matter makes up the universe. Oxygen, hydrogen, calcium, iron, phosphorus, lead. What else? What else? Oh, so many things. Uranium, plutonium, bronium, chromium, palladium, and beyond. Copper, carbon. So many different things. So many kinds of matter in the world. Yes. Gold, silver, and beyond. Gold is a kind of matter. Yeah. Matter is the building block of the universe. So here's the blocks. They all come together of the universe. They build the universe. The building blocks of the world. Yes. And eventually we will find the exact matter that holds the universe together. Because when we zoom in close enough to the atoms, the neutrons, the protons, and the quarks, and go beyond the Higgs boson, we will find the exact piece of atom that holds the universe together. It could be antimatter. Ooh. It could be antimatter pushing against gravity, or pushing gravity, and that's holding everything in place. Yeah. We will find the answers to the universe by figuring out how matter is made. Yes. Atoms, protons, neutrons, quarks, Higgs bosons, and beyond. How cool is that? Yeah, it. Yeah, yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, so matter, the physical things, the universe, and everything is made from different kinds of matter, and calcium is a form of matter. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, can you use matter in a sentence? Can you? And if you can, comment below with the sentence. And give the video a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe. Yeah, more videos to come. So subscribe to me on YouTube, like me on Facebook, and follow me on Telegram. You can find me by searching for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can have more lessons from me on Udemy. Yeah, more English lessons from me on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.